Morning. It's gonna be a busy day. It is a beautiful day. It's calm. It's cool. It's gonna be a good day. We're going to finish spraying corn. Owen, he just went to go get seed. We're gonna plant over top of those peas. We're gonna destroy them, plant our soybeans in there. And then I gotta go finish planting 20 acres of that organic soys for Chad. And then we went and checked the rest of his fields. They're not fit, so it's gonna be a few days off. It's Friday, June 24th. I want the weekend off, so we're gonna go hard today. Agitator going. Turn on the iPad. I find if I turn this on, the tractor and the iPad talk, you know, while I'm mixing. If you don't do that, you do it at the field, for some reason, you know how technology is. Great when it works. There we go. All right. Not too bad. 10:22, first 100 acres is done. We're filled up. We're heading to do, we got 47 over here and another 23 at the back of the home farm, and corn is done for the first time. Then we'll go see how Owen's making out replanting. So this is a good spot of peas, but this field's rode off because drive over. No-tilling right into the green, and then later today, when Owen's finished, I believe he'll grab the sprayer, or I will, depending on who is finished first. I'm going to go plant those organic soybeans. He's got to finish this. Whoever's finished first is going to come back, and we're going to smoke these peas with our sprayer. So let's just get out and have a peekaboo and see what kind of job we're doing here. First time you get to drive through a pea field when it's up. Most people will be furious destroying the pea crop, and I want to. So you're gonna see this area right here is just dead. We're not too sure the percentage, but yeah, we're just playing right into that, flattening them out. going in nice. It's closing nice. Owen said it's going in about inch and a half. So we're happy with that. Let's go check out the air seeder, and then I gotta get going because this day is getting away on me. So this really is not a great day because you don't really want to be doing this to your crop. We worked hard to plant all this, prep the field. It went in really nice, got too much rain, that's how it goes. That is farming. So what's gonna go on is the insurance company insured for 80%. So what they're gonna do is they're actually gonna pay for the seed that we're planting right now. And they're, you know, we'll just wipe this crop out. We're destroying it, it's done. Okay, now I gotta get going. Yeah, driving through grown peas. So there he goes. So that guy's name is Al. He works for Chad. He's now doing another pass with that I don't know what kind of disc you call that, but it really incorporates everything and chops up the stalks of everything they got here, which that we need, or I guess he needs. So when the crop is up and you kind of come back through with a cultivator between the rows, if that grass is long and stringy, all you'll do is keep pulling it up between the rows, and Chad says you're very aggravated by the end of the day. So it looks like a lot of dirt working, which it is, but it is necessary for this kind of farming. I have decided though that the organic farming, like I always knew it was a lot of work, but now that I'm really here watching, like it is a pile of work and I don't actually have time for it. It's just another reason why I'm gonna keep farming the way I'm farming. Not that there's anything wrong with organic. I think it's pretty, I think all types of farming is cool. And yeah, I'm very happy with my system. It works for me. That's what's important. It doesn't really matter what anybody else thinks as long as I'm happy with what we're doing. that last little sliver. It's a little bit bumpy. Probably that piece they were using really chopped the stalks, or, you know, I shouldn't say the stalks. Chopped the grass up nice, but I think we should have used it first and then went over with our sunflower to level it out. I wouldn't use the cultivator because it would grab the grass back up and bring it back up, but the sunflower probably would have done a nice job. But anyways, too little too late. And we are out of here. That is it. Now in a couple more days, if the rest of Chad's fields get fit, we'll still be planting them, but there's 60 acres left for them. And hopefully 2022 is over for planting, because I am ready for that. It's just been a long, dragged out process, especially having to replant, well, change our crop. Planted peas to destroy our peas to replanting soybeans. So hopefully everything is gonna be good. Anyways, you guys have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.